Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device supports Touch ID and that iOS is up to date. This avoids unnecessary troubleshooting later. Once done, back up your device to iCloud or iTunes so you can restore settings if needed. Next, make sure you remember the current device passcode and Apple ID credentials. These are required to enable biometric authentication. Now, go to Settings and open Touch ID and passcode to start the reconfiguration process. You should remove any existing fingerprints first, then reboot the device to clear temporary sensor issues. This often fixes recognition problems. Once restarted, return to Settings, Touch ID and passcode and choose Add a Fingerprint, making sure your finger and the sensor are clean and dry. While registering, move the finger slowly to capture different angles. Also verify your passcode meets the device's complexity requirements because Touch ID depends on an active, acceptable passcode for security. After adding fingerprints, test Touch ID across the lock screen, Apple Pay, and app authentication to confirm consistent behavior. This verifies both hardware and settings. If recognition fails intermittently, make sure there are no case or screen protector interferences. Then try reset all settings to preserve data while wiping configuration errors. If problems persist after a restore, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider because the sensor or secure enclave may need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.